Good evening, sir. Welcome to our hotel. You look very tired. Have you been traveling for a long time? Yes, a very long time. Today feels like three different days in one. I just arrived in this country a few hours ago, and everything has been difficult. I really need a place to stay tonight, somewhere safe, somewhere quiet, somewhere I can finally close my eyes without worrying. Of course, sir, you came to the right place. Let's see what we can do for you. We have several rooms available tonight. Our standard single room is comfortable, clean, and perfect for rest. It includes hot water, Wi Fi, breakfast, and 24-hour service. The price is $80 per night. Could that work for you? It sounds perfect. Honestly, it sounds like exactly what I need right now. A shower, a bed, and silence. That's all I want. Nothing more. That's great. I'll just need your ID and your payment method, and we can prepare your room immediately. My ID. Sure. My ID. Oh God. Is everything okay, sir? Is there a problem? I. Oh my God. I had my ID this morning. Everything was normal. I had my documents, my money, my phone, my plans. Everything was in my bag. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. And now, what are you going to do? Now I have nothing. I don't know what to do. When I left the airport, I was trying to understand the city, looking at the streets, the people, the signs. Everything felt new and confusing, but also exciting. Then suddenly, someone came close to me, very close, too close. And before I could react, my bag was gone. It was so fast that my brain didn't understand what was happening until it was already over. I ran, I looked around, I asked for help, but no one knew anything. In just a few seconds, I lost everything I had. Um, that must have been very stressful. Did you report it? Yes, I went to the police. I stayed there for hours, answering questions, repeating my story again and again, hoping someone would help me. But they told me it will take time. And time is exactly what I don't have right now. I understand, but you still need a way to pay for the room. That's why it's so difficult to say, I I can't pay. I know how this sounds, and I know what you're probably thinking. I'm a stranger, I have no ID, no money, no proof of anything, and I'm asking for a room in a hotel. It sounds like a bad story, like something you hear all the time, something people used to lie or take advantage of others. But I'm not lying. I'm just stuck. I don't know anyone here. I don't have a place to go. And I've been walking for hours trying to find the solution. But every door is closed when you have nothing in your hands. This is a very difficult situation. I believe that you are in trouble. I can see it in your face. But I also have rules that I must follow. I cannot give a room without payment or identification. If I do that, I could lose my job. And this job is very important to me. I don't want you to lose your job. I don't want to create problems for you. I just needed to try one more time because sometimes the only thing you can do is try. Even if you already expect the answer to be no, you are very calm for someone in your situation. That is a little surprising because if I panic, nothing changes. I already lost everything today. I don't want to lose control of myself too. You know, every day I sit here and follow the same rules: check in, check out, payments, IDs. Everything is clear, everything is simple. But today is different. Today I see a person, not just a situation. And I keep asking myself, what is more important? Doing my job perfectly or helping someone who clearly needs help? Because sometimes life puts you in moments where there is no perfect answer, only a choice between two difficult options. And what does your heart say? Well, my heart says That if I was in your position, I would hope that someone helped me. That's all I'm asking. Just one chance. All right, listen carefully. I will give you a room for tonight. Just one night. No payment now. No questions. Tomorrow, we will find a solution together. But this stays between us. I I don't have words. I really don't. You are helping me more than you can imagine right now. Sometimes small actions are big for someone else. I promise you something. I will not forget this moment. When everything was dark, you gave me a little light. Just rest. Tomorrow is a new day. Hello? Good evening. This is the hotel owner. I was watching the security cameras. Sir, I can't explain. No, you don't need to explain anything. You reminded me of something I forgot a long time ago. That this business is not only about money. Tomorrow morning, I want you to offer that man a job here. Because people like him don't need charity, they need opportunity. Sometimes one small decision can change someone's life forever. What could you do in this situation? Could you follow the rules or help the person? Write your answer in the comments. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.